As the title of this video suggests, this outdoor photography accessory is guaranteed to save your butt. Don't go away. Hi, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom, taking you from beginner to better to business. At photographersfreedom.com and here on my YouTube channel, you will find photography tutorials, camera gear reviews, photography business advice, and more, all designed to help you no matter where you are in your photography journey. Subscribe if you like the sound of that and ding that notification bell so you get notified whenever I release a new video. I will admit that I am not the fittest nature photographer out there. I can walk a few kilometers, sure, scramble up rocks or sand dunes, and get myself into some pretty precarious positions to get the photo that I want. Thing is, by the time I've done any of those things with a heavy camera backpack on my back, I'm usually quite stuffed. Sometimes when I finally get to that perfect spot for a photo, the ground beneath me is not exactly flat or comfortable either. If I want to sit for a while, like if I'm photographing birds for example, depending on what I have to sit on, my ass gets pretty sore. I searched for quite a while for a solution to this problem and explored a lot of different ideas. Then I discovered the magic of the Stool. It ticks all the boxes. Is it comfortable? Yes, it is. Is it light and portable? Yes, it is. Is it strong? Yes, it is. Does it fit into the tripod holder on my camera backpack while my tripod is in there? Yes, it does. Not only that, but it is stable and practical on so many different surfaces. Sand, dirt, grass, rocks. I have used this thing on so many uneven surfaces and it is always stable and strong. This particular one here is a Kathmandu Roma tri-stool. The legs are 19mm steel tube and can hold a capacity of up to 100 kilograms or 220 pounds. The seat is made from 450D polyester and the whole thing weighs just 808 grams or 1.9 pounds according to my kitchen scales and packs down to around the same size as my tripod. Like I said, I can carry this in the tripod holder on my backpack with the tripod in there too, and it is always secure and it's super light. In the video description there are some links to tri-stools very similar to this one that you can get from Amazon. I'm not affiliated with Kathmandu, but if you want to get yourself one of these Roma tri-stools, I can highly recommend them. A tri-stool is a great solution to keeping your ass clean and comfortable when shooting outdoor photography. If you got some value from this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you might want to do that also. Let me know what your favorite outdoor photography accessory is by leaving a comment below the video. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom. Get out there with your tri-stool. Take some wicked shots and I'll see you soon. Bye. Tri-stool.